This is the Torsional Vibration Calculator for shaft natural frequency, which determines the fundamental frequency at which a shaft will naturally vibrate under torsional loads. Let's walk through each input field. First, select your unit system from the drop-down menu. You can choose between metric SI or imperial US units. For this demonstration, we're using metric units. Next, enter the shaft diameter in millimeters. This is the outer diameter of your circular shaft. Then input the shaft length in millimeters, the total unsupported length between constraints. The shear modulus G in gigapascals represents the material's resistance to shear deformation. Typical values are around 80 GPa for steel. Finally, enter the total inertia J in kilogram meters squared. This is the combined rotational inertia of all components attached to the shaft. After clicking Calculate Torsional Natural Frequency, the calculator will display your results. The primary output shows the natural frequency in hertz, which tells you the critical speed where resonance may occur. This helps engineers avoid operating speeds near this frequency to prevent excessive vibration and potential failure. Find the link in the description below.